my name is Aprilisa Mutiara, student ID number 205111268. So, this video was made to complete my final test of Praktik Pengajaran Pembelajaran Bahasa Inggris class. Let's go to the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you today? I'm great, thank you. Before beginning the class, please clean up the classroom trash. Thank you. Okay, before we start, it would be nice if we pray first. Chairman, please. Thank you, Chairman. Well, is anybody absent today? Well, I will check your attendance. Please say present miss when I call your name. Oh, it seems that no one is absent today. Okay, have you had lunch this afternoon? Yeah, it's very important before starting our class. Can you tell me what you eat, Oscar? Oh, chicken? That sounds delicious. My dear students, make sure you take care of your health. Don't forget to eat and get enough rest, okay? Well, students, have you ever learned the material about descriptive text before? Still remember? I'm sure you have. Maybe in junior high school you learned it. So, descriptive text is a kind of text which says what a person or thing, animal, and public place in details. After studying this material, students are expected to apply the expressions, distinguish structure and language features, and also make a descriptive text short and simple, relate to tourist attractions and famous historical buildings. So, we learn this material is to know how to describing place correctly. Today, we will discuss about the social functions, general structure, and language features of descriptive text. For the assessment that will be assessed, namely the result of your worksheet answer and discussion results. And I will also assess how your attitude too. So, please be nice. Have you ever go to historical place or tourist destinations? If you so, where is it? Bali? It's a very beautiful place. And else? Singapore? It's nice too. Okay, before we talk about descriptive text, I want you to look at these pictures first and observe what you see. Okay? This is the first pictures. And this is the second pictures. Alright students, you have seen the pictures and I wanna ask your opinion about that. What can you see in the first pictures? Yeah, it's Eiffel Tower. And where can you see the first pictures? Sorry, sir. Can you speak a little bit louder? Miss can hear you. That is correct, in French. And how the Borobudur temple looks like? It's very big. Good job. And have you been to Borobudur temple? And what do you feel when you are there? Exactly, it's an incredible place. My dear students, descriptive text is a text used to give detailed information about a particular object, like things, animals, person or places. For instance, pets or persons we know well. But in this learning activity, we will focus more on describing historical or famous places. Next is the social functions. Generally, the main functions of a descriptive text is to describe an object. Specifically, a descriptive text has these following functions. The first one is giving information about a particular object by describing its features and spatial characteristics. And the second one is giving information about a particular object by describing its physical attributes, behavior, functions, and others. What kind of structure that descriptive texts have? The generic structures of descriptive text consist of two main parts: identifications or general statement and descriptions. You have to remember identifications and descriptions. Okay. Identification introduces and identifies specific objects intended to be described. It is used to give a general idea about the object we want to describe. And for descriptions, describes the intended objects using descriptive details or information about the object characteristics, appearances, personality, and habits or qualities. To make your understanding about the social functions and generic structure of a descriptive text better, now look at the example of descriptive text. Bella, can you read the text, please?
Okay, Miss. Borobudur is one of historical buildings in Indonesia. It is considered to be the world's largest Buddhist temple for its size, 15,129 square meters, and height 34.5 meters. It is located in Magelang, Central Java. Not only it became a well-known tourism destination to a lot of travelers around the world, Borobudur Temple is also included in UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites. Borobudur Temple consists of 6 square floors and 3 circular floors, which arrange accordingly and make it to be stair, like layers that you have to climb one by one to reach the top of the temple. In the middle of the floor, you will find small stairwell with couples of stairs connecting each floor that you can use as a passage to go to the top. On each level on the floor, there are a lot of relief panels and Buddha statues spread around it. Based on the data, there are 2672 panels and 504 statues in total. There is a dome located on the top center of the temple and is surrounded by 72 Buddha statues. It's seated inside of perforated stupa. It is said that if you place your hand into the stupa through one of its holes, and you can touch the Buddha statue, you will be able to make one of your dreams come true.
Based on the previous explanations, can you mention which part of identifications? The first paragraph. So the second paragraph is descriptions. Okay, let's check it. Here we go. Okay, that's correct. Good job, everyone. So the first paragraph is identification, and automatically the second paragraph that will be consist to descriptions. Thank you. And what about language features of descriptive text? Okay, the first one is using simple present tense. The formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object and plus adverb. And for the subject is I, you, they, we plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb, and she, he, it plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object and plus adverb. And the second one is using adjective and adverbs, and the last one is using present passive voice. And for active is subject plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb. For passive is object plus is are plus verb 3 plus by plus subject and plus adverb. Okay class, we do a mini game first, okay? This is for check your concentrate this afternoon. The game is say the color, not the word. So do not read the words, rather say the color of the words. For example, if the word blue is printed in with a purple color, you should say purple. Say the colors as fast as you can. It is not as easy as you might think. You have to focus. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, you have to read loudly and as fast as you can. So, 3, 2, 1.
Blue, purple, blue, yellow, blue, green, purple, black, green, red, gray, blue.
Okay, good job everyone. Applause for us. The focus on this activity is on discovery. The point is to wake up your brain and bring your attentions forward and have a little fun. It's not a competition. It doesn't measure how well you read, how smart you are, and how fast you think. It does show us some interesting things about how our own brains work. So have fun with it. And now, let's continue to the material. I want you guys find the language features from this text. I will give you 5 minutes to find. Okay, let's discuss. Anyone knows which part of using simple presents? Okay, and what about using adjective and adverbs? And last one, which part of using present passive voice? Okay, let's check the answer. Here we go. This is for using simple presents. That is correct. Okay, and what about using adjective and adverbs? Okay, that is correct too. And the last one. Good job everyone, that is correct. It seems you guys understand this material so far. As you can see here, this is the complete answer. Alright students, I will give you a paper. You're gonna write a descriptive text about the place. Write down the names of famous tourist attractions and historical buildings, and write down the characteristics of these famous tourist attractions and historical buildings. Good luck to do your assignment. I will give you 20 minutes to finish that work. Okay students, the time is over. Have you finished the task? Not yet? Okay, you can continue at home. Therefore, I would like to check as to whether you still remember. What is descriptive text? And what about the structure of descriptive text? There is identification and description. Alright, good job. And what about the language features of descriptive text? Well done, everyone! So guys, I want you to think on what you learned from these questions before we end this class. The question is a summary of what I have covered, ringkasan dari apa yang telah kita pelajari, things I'm still not sure of, and hal-hal apa yang masih belum yakin. Lalu ada what do I need to do to overcome these uncertainties? Apa yang harus dilakukan untuk mengatasi hal tersebut? Dan submit your responses in the reflections box here. And thank you for the attentions. Also make sure don't forget to study. Stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye my lovely students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.